We're doing a tour of the mountain kingdom, Lesotho. We're currently at Sehlabathebe National Park. Thus far, our journey took us from the northern border down to Kati Dam. From there, it was onwards to Semonkong Lodge. Our previous day saw us travelling via Neck to Sehlabathebe National Park. The rest of our trip still sees us going over Matebeng Pass to Bob Phillips Campsite, and from there it's on to Sani Mountain Lodge, where we'll be doing Sani Pass back into South Africa. In the convoy we have 3 motorcycles and a sport vehicle. Morning everyone, recap of day 4 of our Lesotho trip. We started off in Semonkong, rainy weather, wasn't a nice ride to start off with, but the day got better and better and we hit views like this all the way to Sehlabathebe. Having a nice breakfast this morning and then we tackling Matebeng Pass. The turn off towards the pass is south of Sehlabathebe. From there you head through a couple of river crossings before the road starts climbing into the mountains, indicating the start of the pass. Travelling over the pass, you make your way through several hairpins as you climb and descend. The eastern side being less technical than the western side, you still need to negotiate a road surface with loose rocks and eroded gullies. We just got to the top of Matebeng Pass. Look at that. Well, that's the side we're going to. We came from that side. There's a Beamer, there's Bumblebee, there's our support vehicle. But no snow yet, just a tad cold, especially with the wind chill factor. The snow they're expecting tonight and tomorrow night, so staying at a low point tonight, so we won't have snow tonight, but at Sani the next night, so we might have snow there, but at least then we'll be past that other high pass in Lesotho. It's tall, but with snow it might get a bit tricky, but yeah, otherwise it's going quite well, enjoying it.
brave and mourn about your culture instead.
They do the job.
The world turned hand on fire for years. What we done to them too well without neither ear. Social cancer, man-made and queer. There's a holy train coming and it's leaving you here. Buckle up, girl, we can make up our minds. Remember to leave anything earthly behind. We'll make our way to the other side. There's a holy train coming and it's leaving you here. I love you, wait and wait. There's a holy train coming and it's leaving you. See you later, nation. I love you, wait and waiting. See you later, nation. Young man, you're a fool. Look where your impudence has led you. Don't expect forgiveness too soon. We chase our own tails for truth, trying to keep our precious egos in use. We've lost our minds along the way.
Thank you.
There's a holy train coming and it's leaving you here. I love you, wait and
De moeder is vertrokken.
train coming and it's leaving you.
Kinderen.
There's a holy train coming and it's leaving you here.
We arrive at Bob Phillips campsite, situated next to a river, between sandstone formations and underneath big trees. It was a long and grueling day on the road, taking us about 6 hours to get from Sehlabathebe to the campsite. On the next episode, we go up mountains, we go through mud, through some mist, we get some snow, and we go down Sani. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so you won't miss out on the final episode.